You're like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go. 'Cause you're like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. When we were younger.
It's only for the better. They say we're gonna be alright. It's only for the better. Thoughts keep me up all night. It's only for the better. Please tell me this is right. It's only for the better. But now it's time for the hard. And burning out. Can't find the light. And now it's time for the high. And then it's gonna get worse. You know, we're never getting better. We can sink deeper in the dirt. And now it's time for the high. And then it's gonna get worse. You know we never gonna get better. We can sink deeper in the dirt. We fight, we cry, we love, we lie, we burning out. Can't find the light. Oh,